Hey YouTube, what is up, you guys? We are gonna jump straight into this video. So I want you guys to really be focusing on how I'm slicking this hair, and all the products that I use in the description are gonna be in the description box down below. So for this hairstyle, you are gonna need your hair to be stretched already, either like a really good blowout or a flat iron, like a one pass flat iron through everything should do. So as you can see, I'm just pulling back my hair. I just used a soft bristle brush, brushed it back, and I'm pulling it into my desired ponytail. And I'm making sure everything is flat and sleek, just the way I would want it to be. Now to do this slick, I'm just going to be using the Pump It Up Spritz. I'm going to do a couple of sprays, brush everything down, and then I'm going to back it up with the blow dryer. I think that this is like the perfect technique for the summertime because it allows for like the hair to have a nice shine and that flat, smooth look of slicking your hair with gel or edge control without the dry time, the potential of it sweating out. It stays nice and hard, but like not crispy and crunchy, if that makes sense. So but off camera, I already went and I did a little braid because we're going to be doing an invisible ponytail for our two ponytails. And now we're just going to be doing the other side. So the side with the swoop is always a little bit difficult. I'm pretty sure for everybody. So all I'm doing is kind of just molding it in the position that I want it to flow. Use some of the Pump It Up Spritz and a blow dryer just so that it starts to form in the direction that I need it to go in. I then felt like I wanted to separate the back and kind of do that part in sections as well, especially because of the curved parting. I didn't want it to be lumpy and bumpy, so I went and I did a little ponytail in the back. Then I just used another mirror just to see what I was doing and lined everything up so that this way I could start to spray and mold it down. I know a lot of you may be looking at this and you might be opposed to heat styling your hair. So I will try to do a follow-up video and see if it works on hair that's just detangled and stretched and see if the results are the exact same. But for this super sleek look with no gel, this is the way to achieve it. Your hair has to be stretched typically with a heat styling tool, and then you just go in with some Pump It Up Spritz in the blow dryer, and it helps to give it a beautiful shine, and it also helps to keep your hair super flat, super smooth without the wait time of gel. And you know, some people may sweat in their head, especially in the summertime. Especially in the summertime, they may sweat in their head. And so I feel like this right here is a great alternative for that, because even if your hair underneath is sweating, your top layer is gonna still be solid. So you're not gonna have it start to curl up on you or break down as you're enjoying your festivities through the summertime. I'm also using some of the Got To Be Free spray, and that's just because that's an extra added layer of hold. So now I'm just going in and creating the little invisible ponytail in the back with some leftover braid in here. But I don't want the ponytail to be too long, so I'm just going to stop it halfway and then cut off the excess. Now, are you guys seeing that shine? Like, that shine is so nice. So for the little edges parts that we didn't get the hairspray on, we're just using a little bit of edge control. You can use gel or you can Pump It Up, spritz it a little bit closer too. I just find that using a little bit of edge control seems to do the trick for me. You want to use something that's not wet because you don't want it to reverse the process. So you want it to be a little bit more on the putty side. That's what I'm saying. Edge control works fairly well. And just to back it up, I'm just going to use some Pump It Up Spritz just so that it holds while we slick it down, or hold it down with our head tie while we work on our 2 ponytails. And now we're going to be using hair from Lumiere Hair. We're going to be using 2 bundles of their 26-inch water wave curly hair. This curl is so pretty. You guys know for curls, I love me a water wave. Like, it's just summertime perfect. And I know you guys might feel a way about my 2 ponytail tutorials. You guys have your comments to say that they're childish videos. However, I think that they're super duper cute and super fun. They're such a look. And I think it's so appropriate for the summertime if you want to be just fun and, you know, cute at the same time. So I'm going to keep bringing the 2 ponytail videos to you guys, whether you like it or not. Sorry, honeys. So as you can see, I'm doing this, no glue required. I'm just wrapping the bundles and using prong pins. You can use bobby pins. On hand, I had these really long prong pins. On a good day, I would use shorter prong pins or bobby pins, but use what you have and just pin the bundles into the braid and wrap around. So this is no gel, no glue, super painless, super easy and quick to do. Like, if you get invited out last minute and you want to do like a cute little funky hairdo to go to like a little cabana party or drinks on the patio, I think that this is like a quick and great go-to. So as you can see, I'm just taking a piece of the track and wrapping it around so it covers the base. And I'm just going to go through and fluff everything out. Oh, I love this hair. And these curls are super duper soft. I'm definitely going to put in the description box the link to Lumiere Hair and their website. So the link to this direct hair and a link to their website. And all that's going to be in the description box down below. If you want some cute curls for the summertime, definitely check out Lumiere Hair. So as you can see, I'm just going to show you guys again how I do it. I take out the 1 bundle, I double it quarter of the way, fold it through, use the prong pin to put it into the braid, and I just start wrapping. You wrap like a couple of times, maybe 2-3 times, and then you pin, and then you keep on wrapping, and you pin, and you wrap and you pin until you get to the top, and then you can use a piece of the track to cover over everything. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to do this gel-free slick for the summer. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bells. And tell me what you guys want to see for summertime hairdos in the description box down below. I love when I see you guys give me ideas. And I definitely want to recreate them for you. And I will see you guys later in another one. Bye.